When it comes to home improvements, installing a new door might seem like a manageable weekend project. With countless online tutorials and step-by-step guides available, many homeowners in Middleton consider taking the do-it-yourself route to save time or money. However, when it comes to door installation, there's a lot more to it than meets the eye. Proper installation requires skill, precision, and knowledge of local building conditions, qualities that only professional installers consistently deliver. In the long run, professional door installation doesn't just look better, it also performs better, lasts longer, and saves you money by avoiding costly repairs or replacements. Here's why working with experts in Middleton ensures your new doors will outlast any DIY project. Precision that protects your investment. Installing a door involves much more than hanging it on hinges. The process includes aligning the frame, securing the hardware, adjusting the fit, and ensuring a perfect seal, all of which require experience and accuracy. Even small mistakes can lead to major problems. A door that's slightly misaligned may stick, swing open on its own, or leave gaps that let in drafts and moisture. Over time, these issues can damage the door frame, weaken insulation, and increase energy costs. Professional installers in Middleton have the training and tools to guarantee precise measurements and perfect alignment. They ensure that your door opens and closes smoothly, seals tightly, and maintains its appearance and function for years to come. Built for Middleton's weather conditions. Middleton's seasonal weather, from chilly winters to warm, dry summers, can be tough on exterior doors. Improperly installed doors are more likely to warp, swell, or lose their insulation over time. Local professionals understand the specific climate challenges in Middleton and know how to choose materials and installation methods that can handle temperature fluctuations, humidity, and wind. For instance, they'll recommend fiberglass or steel doors that resist warping and corrosion. They'll use high-quality weather stripping to block drafts during cold months. They'll ensure your door is properly sealed and insulated, maintaining comfort and energy efficiency year-round. A professional installation means your doors are built and fitted to perform well in Middleton's environment for the long haul. Long-term durability and efficiency. A well-installed door is one that lasts. Professionals ensure that your door is correctly anchored to the frame and supported by durable materials that prevent sagging, cracking, or premature wear. They also make sure your door's seals and insulation work as intended, preventing energy loss and protecting against moisture damage, two of the most common issues in DIY installations. When you invest in professional work, you're not just paying for labor, you're paying for long-term reliability. The craftsmanship and structural integrity that experts provide can easily extend your door's lifespan by several years, saving you from early replacements or frequent adjustments. Safety and security. You can rely on your doors play a key role in protecting your family and property. A DIY installation might look fine on the surface, but even a small misalignment can weaken your door's locking system or make it easier for intruders to force entry. Professional installers know how to properly install reinforced frames, strike plates, and locking mechanisms to maximize security. They also ensure that your door complies with local building and safety codes, providing peace of mind that your home is both secure and up to standard. With professional installation, you get the added benefit of knowing your door not only enhances your home's look, it also strengthens its safety. Professional tools, techniques, and warranties. DIY projects often rely on household tools that aren't suited for heavy-duty installations. Professionals, on the other hand, use specialized equipment and proven techniques to ensure precision and durability. In addition, most professional installers offer warranties on labor and materials, protecting you against defects or future issues. A DIY project, unfortunately, comes with no such guarantees, meaning any mistake or repair cost falls entirely on you. By hiring experts, you gain not just a superior result but also lasting assurance that your investment is covered. Saving time and stress. A professional door installation can be completed efficiently, often within a few hours. DIY projects, however, can drag on for days, especially if unexpected complications arise. When you hire Middleton professionals, you can relax knowing the job will be done right the first time. No second guessing, no extra trips to the hardware store, and no frustration. Final thoughts: in Middleton, where quality craftsmanship and home comfort go hand in hand, professional door installation offers benefits that far outweigh the temporary savings of DIY work. From superior precision and durability to energy efficiency and security, experts ensure your new doors look beautiful and perform flawlessly for years. When you want lasting results, not just a quick fix, trust your local Middleton professionals to open the door to quality, comfort, and peace of mind.